Very good morning, students. So I found some problems in my laptop. So due to uh, 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 so I find some problem in my in my computer. So it's late. So let's start the again our CRE1. So we started the uh, first. What is the objective? The objective is to what is the objective? There are two objectives. There are two objectives. Two objectives. The first one will be the find volume, and second one will be the find conversion. Then, so there are two objectives. The first one will be the find volume, and second one will be the find conversion. That is the objective. So, so to find out the objective, um, uh, uh, we then we said that output is equal to output is equal to function of input kinetics, and the third one will be the contacting pattern. Then, so this is the our we understand this. Output is our volume, input is our concentration, kinetics means how fast reaction will be done, and the contacting pattern means batch wise or continuous wise the system is going. And then we said that classification of reactions. Then we understand the variable affecting the rate of reactions, and then we going toward the definition of reaction rate. So what we did for definition of reaction rate, we said that Ri for the uh, um, uh, uh, for the homogeneous reactions, 1 divided by V, d and I divided by dt. And we say that this definition, but this is for the product, because here plus sign will. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning. So then this is the definition for the homogeneous, but for if you are using the find out rate of equation for heterogeneous systems, then we have different definition of rate of reactions. So we write down the different rate of reactions, but their basis is different. So let's say one basis like mass for heat. So R dni divided by dt. Here Ri is equal to 1 divided by W per. So if we have a heterogeneous reactions and we have to find out the rate of reaction here based on the mass of solid. For homogeneous, what we write down based on the volume of reactions. But if you are writing for heterogeneous reactions, there are different way to find out the rate of reactions. Then, so this one is a first one, and we have to done Ri desk here because this desk is for the nomenclature is accepted by worldwide. So once you are doing the find out rate of reactions, and if you are taking based on the mass of solids, then you have to take Ri desk, you have to write it down. Then so please હમણાં કોઈ રેઝ હેન્ડ કે નહીં કરે પેલા સાંભળો, કારણ કે 30 મિનિટનો લેક્ચર જતો રહ્યો છે એટલા માટે છેલ્લે આપણું હું તમને કહીશ. Then so the second one is the based on we write it down interface. If we are using the two fluid which are separated by the one interface. So whenever we doing like a liquid extraction, it's like we find out the interface. So if this type of systems are there for the heterogeneous systems, then we have to we can write down the rate equations based on the interfacial surface. So the second way for heterogeneous reactions based on interface surface. So if we write it down based on the interface surface, then we can write it down minus Ri double dash is equal to 1 divided by S dni divided by dt. So here moles of I, here is also a minus sign because we write down in terms of reactants. Moles of I formed disappear. Moles of so moles of I disappear per interface per surface per time. So you are finding out rate in terms of what? You are finding out the rate in terms of surface interface, whatever interface surface area. So whenever you see Ri double dash, at that time their rate in terms of the interface surface. And so this is the third definition. Then so this is the second one definition, and for heterogeneous systems, like the third one will be the once you are having a reactions between the gas solid. Once you have a reactions between the gas solid, and if you have a finding out the rate in terms of the volume of solid, then we can write down the definitions. The third one will be the based on volume of solid for which system? For gas solid system. If you are reactions having one gas and one solid and you are finding out the rate in terms of volume of solid, then you can write down the uh, rate of reaction definition is minus Ri triple dash is equal to 1 divided by Vs, where Vs represent the volume of solid, dNi divided by dt. Then this is the definition based on the volume of solid. Then so these are the various definitions for the rate, definition of reaction rate for homogeneous and heterogeneous reaction. So please try to understand. For examples, there is a reactions between the liquid and solid. There are two persons doing the same things, and one is measuring the rate of reactions based on the mass of solid. One is measuring the rate based on the volume of solid. Then, so uh, you are measuring the rate based on what? That equation, rate of equation, you have to put it down. Then that rate of reaction is put it down. For example, there are two persons doing the same experiment. One is doing the Priyank Nakum and one is doing the Vivek Patoria. Both are doing the same experiment, but Priyank is using based on mass of solid. So they find out rate equation based on mass of solid, but Vivek is using based on volume of solid. Both are right. Both rate of reactions are different. Priyank saying I am getting this one, Vivek saying I am getting this one, but both are right. Because of what reason? Both take rate of reaction base, finding out rate of reaction is different, but both are right. So what base you are using? Based on, you have to write it down this one. Sometimes rate R days, sometimes R double days, sometimes R triple days. Why they are doing this R days, R double days? For examples, once you are referring the paper, તમે કોઈ પેપર પબ્લિકેશન કોઈ કર્યું છે અને ઈ પેપર રિફર કરો તો જો એની અંદર આર આઈ ડેશ લખેલું હોય તો તમને ખબર પડે કે હા અહીંયા રેટ ઇક્વેશન બેઝડ ઓન mass of solids કરેલ છે. Sometimes they refer only ri, so they are saying that they find out rate equation based on the for homogeneous system they find out volume of reactions. So અહીંયા સાઇન કેવી રીતે છે પેપર પબ્લિકેશન ની અંદર એના પ્રમાણે તમને ઇમેજ આવવું જોઈએ કે યસ, so these reactions will be, they find out rate of reactions based on this one. So because of that reason, different definition of reactions rate is there. So now uh, 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 1 minute you are allowed to unmute yourself. Just I 1 minute, students. I just take my headphone. Only 1 minute. So I clear your doubt. Yes, Parasman, it's minus 1 divided by V. Whenever we write it down in terms of the reactor, we have to say minus 1, and we are write it down for product, it's plus. Just 1 minute, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me. So now unmute and they ask me a question. The first is, see this, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me a question, then Rishikesh, then Parasmani. If Siddesh have no doubt, then Rishikesh can unmute yourself. Hello. Rishikesh, now you can unmute yourself. Yes, Rishikesh.
Homogeneous માટે એક જ method છે.
Yes, homogeneous, because homogeneous either gas phase, either liquid phase. So volume of reactions either for gas phase reactions, volume of reaction either for liquid phase.
ને સર આ NiSA આપણે ઇક્વેશન આપેલી હશે કે એમને હશે નંબર?
શું?
હેલો.
હા બોલો.
આ NiG છે આપણો મોલ ઇક્વેશન હશે કે એમને હશે ઓલું મોલ્સ આપેલા હશે?
તમારે શું કરવાનું કે તમે એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરો ને પછી સેમ્પલ લ્યો. સેમ્પલ લ્યોમાં એન એટલે તમારે નંબર ઓફ મોલ્સ તમે નો ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરો. નોર્માલિટી ઉપર તમે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરો. સો નંબર ઓફ મોલ્સ એના ઉપરથી DNI ઉપરથી તમે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરો. સો ઇટ્સ જસ્ટ અ નોર્માલિટી, નંબર ઓફ મોલ્સ.
હેલો.
Yes.
સર શું થઈ છે ક્લાસમાં?
DNI means number of moles. For example, I introduced 10 moles. So how can you know you introduced 10 moles? Because you find out 8 normal. તમે એમ કહો કે મેં H2SO4 8 normal H2SO4 બનાવ્યું, otherwise 10 millimolar બનાવ્યું, otherwise 10 molar બનાવ્યું. So you know what is the number of moles. DNI you know, because what will do, we'll convert a number of then next we write down the rate equation in terms of concentration. Say normality number of moles divided by volume, so we'll get in concentration. So તમે જેવી રીતે નોર્માલિટી ને મોલારિટી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરો છો, it's just only this thing. Rishikesh, am I coming? તમને સંભળાય છે? It's okay. Hello, Rishikesh.
yes sir, disconnect થઈ ગયો.
Okay. It is just a normal of
સર S શું હશે? વેલ્યુ હશે કે નહીં? S શું હશે?
VS એટલે સબસ્ક્રિપ્ટ S, વોલ્યુમ ઓફ સોલિડ. તે એનું નોમેનક્લેચર
ઇન્ટરફેસ સરફેસ ની વાત કરું છું.
હા, S એટલે
ઇન્ટરફેસ સરફેસ ની વાત કરું છું.
હા, એનો એરિયા
બરાબર.
એનો એરિયા ઇન્ટરફેસ સરફેસ નો એરિયા.
ને ઓલું સર તમે શું કીધું હતું? આઉટપુટ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ F ને એનું ઇનપુટ કાઇનેટિક્સ ને કોન્ટેક્ટ પેટર્ન નું ઓલું કઈ કીધું હતું ને તમે?
યસ ઈ ફર્સ્ટ લેક્ચર છે. ઈ ફર્સ્ટ લેક્ચર નો વિડિયો છે ને, તમે આપણે પેલા આપણે લિંક મૂકેલી છે ને, એમાંથી તમે એકવાર જોઈ લેજો, તમને ખબર પડી જશે. પેલા એકવાર જોઈ લેજો, જો એમાં ન ખબર પડે તો હું તમને એકલા ને પાછું એકવાર સમજાવીશ. Okay, now the question is from Chintan Nasir. DNA means change in number of moles. For example, I introduce 10 moles and after doing the reactions becomes 5 moles. So DNA means there is a 5 moles. VS nu kai biju, VS means volume of solid. We are saying that VS means volume of solid. It's the question from Jay. Nay, part we have to find out the moles only for reactant. Once you know the number of moles for reactants, you can easily find out the moles in terms of product. Then Jai question is RI triple dash means what? It's a nomenclature accepted from worldwide. For example, if it is RI triple dash, then you have to understand this rate of reaction is find out based on volume of solid. If they
સર
are
એટલે આપણે રેટ ઓફ રિએક્શન જ બોલશું ને? રેટ ઓફ રિએક્શન ઓન વોલ્યુમ ઓફ સોલિડ એમ જ બોલશું ને કે કંઈ બીજું બોલશું?
નહીં, for example કે RI triple dash, what is the meaning of it? કે જે વ્યક્તિએ આ heterogeneous reactions નું rate find out કરેલું છે ને, એ rate એને શું લીધેલું છે? based on volume of solid કરેલું છે. તો તમે experiment કરો ને તો તમે based on volume of solid કરો તો એટલો જ answer આવવો જોઈએ. તમે rate find out કરો પણ એ કયું base લેવાનું? volume of solid લેવાનું. So RI triple dash એ rate reaction એને find out કરેલું છે, but એને કયો base લીધેલું છે? 1 divided by volume of solid લીધેલું છે. એટલે તમારે શું કરવાનું કે તમે પેપર વાંચો ને તો તમને RI triple dash હોય ને એની અંદર તો તમને ખબર પડી જાય કે આ ભાઈએ રિએક્શન રેટ કરેલું છે ને એ બેઝડ ઓન વોલ્યુમ ઓફ સોલિડ કરેલું છે. તો લિટરેચર ની અંદર આખા વર્લ્ડ ની અંદર વોલ્યુમ ઓફ સોલિડ બેઝડ ઓન એને રેટ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું તો એને આ જ નોમેનક્લેચર યુઝ કરવું પડે. ધેટ્સ વાય RI ડેશ, RI ડબલ ડેશ, RI ટ્રિપલ ડેશ એવી રીતે લખેલું. Okay, Giriraj, why our objective is to find out the volume? Yes, it's a very good, because one reason is there. Reactions can be done in they are doing in a reactor. Giriraj, your answer of question. Reaction will be done in a reactor, and reactor doing of design of reactor is also a critical thing. So for example, you are doing a reaction and you required a product per day something like 1 ton. Done. So 1 ton to make a product, you have to do the reaction in the reactor. So your goal is to purchase a reactor. You have to purchase a reactor. So if as small as a reactor is there, then it's very good for you. Okay, you have to invest less amount of money. Volume વધારે તો reactor ની length અને diameter વધારે, so એ વધારે, so amount of money is higher. Done. So volume છે, so what they are depend upon? Volume is depend upon reaction rate, input concentration, and the how they are contact with each other. Once we change in it, we can change the volume of reactor. Now once the volume of reactor is small, then you have to buy small reactor, and within small reactor you can save money. So because right now what they require 50,000 liter reactor, they require 1 lakh liter reactor, so they require 2 to 3 floors type reactor. એટલા મોટા reactor જોઈએ, તો એનું જેમ વોલ્યુમ ઓછું એમ એના કરોડોની અંદર પ્રાઇસ હોય. સો એટલા માટે ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ વોલ્યુમ ઓછો એમ મની વાઇઝ એ લોકોને બહુ સારી વસ્તુ. તો સારી પ્રોડક્ટ ઓછા પૈસાની અંદર એ લોકોને ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરવું પડે, ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ પોઈન્ટ ઓફ. નાઉ ધી ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ આસીથી, રિએક્શન હોમોજીનિયસ છે કે હિટ્રોજીનિયસ કેમ ખબર પડે? હું એમ કહું કે તમે ખાલી લિક્વિડ જ લીધેલું છે રિએક્શનમાં, only they take H2SO4, only they take HCl, so it's a homogeneous reaction. હા, તમે એમ કીધું છે કે HCl ની અંદર if I add some solid particles, then the reaction is heterogeneous because it has two phases there, one liquid and one solid. So you already know only one phase is present at the time homogeneous reaction, only gas phase, only liquid phase. But if you are gas and liquid combined, then heterogeneous reactions is there. So for example, liquid, if you are adding a gas in it, it's become a heterogeneous reaction. Understand, Asiti? And Giriraj, it's clear from your side why you have to find out volume. Giriraj, do you understand why you have to find out volume? Okay. And Jai, you are comfortable with the answer? RI triple dash? Why RI triple dash?
Of course. Sir, એક વાર છે ને પછી હાલો.
હા, yes.
સર એકવાર છે ને આ બધું થોડું ઘણું સમરાઇઝ માં થોડુંક લખી દેજો ને. આઈ મીન તને તને રિએક્શન આઈ મીન એકમાં માઇનસ છે ને એકમાં માઇનસ નથી, એટલે થોડુંક કન્ફ્યુઝન એટલું.
Okay, okay, okay. Done, done, done.
એટલે
Uh,
હમણાં નહીં ટૂંકમાં તને તને ભેગા આવી જાય ને એટલે આમ થોડું ઘણું ઓલું કે ને કન્ફ્યુઝન વયું જાય.
okay, okay. Chintan, your question, DNA means change in moles. 10 moles introduced have after reaction 5 moles. So change of mole is of 5 moles. Is it done, Chintan? Okay. And Parasmani, your doubt. So we finish the, let me clear the doubt of Jay. If you are, for example, okay, reaction is like that. It's not exact reaction, but just I'm example. H2SO4 plus HCl. I don't know whether it is applicable or not. Some answer C plus D. Then khali just a reactions. If you are writing down the rate reaction like this, minus R H2SO4. So we are finding out the rate equation for H2SO4. Both are having a same phase, liquid phase. So minus 1 divided by V dNi dH2SO4 divided by dt. It means we are finding out the rate of reaction for H2SO4. How H2SO4 decreases with respect to time. Number of moles of H2SO4 change with respect to time. Now, for example, okay, I want to write down rate equation in terms of product. So I am writing down plus sign RC is equal to 1 divided by volume. This is the volume of reaction. dNc divided by dt. So here plus sign because we are writing down rate of reaction in terms of product. Here we write down the rate of reaction in terms of reactant. So this is the question from Jay, and this is the answer, Jay.
ઓકે સર, ઓકે. એટલે એમ નહીં, આમાં છે ને જો તમે આમાં ક્યારે સિંગલ ડેશ, ક્યારે ડબલ ડેશ, ક્યારે ટ્રિપલ ડેશ કે ઈ કઈ ખાલી વોલ્યુમ ને એના ઉપર જ હોય.
યસ, તમારી રેટ ઓફ રિએક્શન થી ડેફિનેશન રિમેમ્બર કરવું પડે અને ઈ તમને કહે કે ભાઈ આર આઈ ડેશ કે તો તમને ખબર પડી જવું જોઈએ કે યસ ધીસ રિએક્શન ઇઝ બેઝડ ઓન માસ ઓફ સોલિડ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કે એની પાસે ચારકોલ કેટલીસ પાર્ટિકલ લીધેલા છે અને લિક્વિડ ની અંદર એડ કરીને રિએક્શન્સ કરેલા છે. સો એને રેટ ઓફ રિએક્શન્સ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરેલું હોય તો એને ખબર હોય કે માસ ઓફ ચારકોલ લીધેલું છે રેટ.
બરાબર છે સર. અને સર આપણે હવે જો આ HCl હોય તો R HCl
minus R HCl is equal
ઓકે રિએક્ટન્ટ છે એટલે ને.
યસ રિએક્ટન્ટ છે એટલે D
તો બે સાઈડ માઈનસ પ્લસ થઈ જાય.
ના, કાં તો તમે બેઝડ ઓન H2SO4 કરો કાં તો બેઝડ ઓન HCl કરો, બે નહીં કરવાનું. જો તમે H2SO4 કરો તોય તમને HCl ખબર પડી જાય, HCl કરો તો H2SO4 કરી જાય. Only you have to write down. હા,
આપણે જો માઇનસ R H2SO4 is equal to -1/V, તો માઇનસ આ સાઈડે છે ને માઇનસ આ સાઈડે છે ને.
નહીં, એવું નથી. નહીં, ઓન્લી એમાં એવું છે કે માઇનસ R H2SO4 is equal to -1 divided by V. કાં તો તમે ઓન્લી આ જ યુઝ કરો છો. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કે આમાં એવું છે, હું એને લખું કે 1 divided by area per time લખું. કાં તો હું આ લખું કાં તો હું આ લખું, બંને વસ્તુ સેમ જ છે. કાં તો હું આ લખું કાં તો આ લખું, બંને વસ્તુ સેમ જ છે.
ઓકે ઓકે ઓકે, સમજી ગયો. બરાબર છે સર, ડન. હવે સમજાઈ ગયું.
Okay. So up to now we understand the why objective of the subject. Up till now we understand objective, subject, then we understand the classification of reaction. Then we understand the variable affecting the rate of reaction. Then we understand the definition of reaction, right? Then, uh, let me share you the your syllabus of CRE. So these are the 4 things we understand in this one: objective, classification, variable affecting reactive reaction, and definition of reaction rate. So just 1 minute. Only just 1 minute. I would like to say syllabus. So there is a syllabus in your screen. So we classification of reaction rate, we did a definition of reaction rate, we did a variable affecting the reaction rate. We did all these 3. With this we finished the introduction of reaction engineering. We did classification of reactions, we did definition of reaction rate, we did variable affecting the reaction of rate. Then, so with this I said the finish of first chapter. I would like to give books from which I understand this one. So let me just 1 minute. Let me share you the books from where we studied all this. This is the book we have to use. I think in your screen you see it. So this one we understand. This figure we understand. Then we understand output is equal to input, kinetics, contacting pattern. We understand classification of reactions. In that we understand this table. Then we understand variable affecting rate of reactions. Then we understand this definition. Yes, only one. Then so if we finish the first chapter, from tomorrow we'll start the chapter number 2. Then I will share this book with you, and I think all of are present. So I end meeting here for all of you. Then we will meet on next lecture. Yes. हाँ बोलो सुखियो तमे.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. So I think all students are present. We end meeting here and we'll start chapter number 2 on next lecture. All of you can leave the meeting.